Hello 3J 3D Prints. So welcome back for another video for today. So last video natin actually nagprint tayo ng Recaro seat mobile holder. And actually nagkaroon tayo ng 3 orders for that after that video was posted to our Facebook page and here in our YouTube channel. So maraming salamat sa mga umorder ng Recaro mobile seat. Now for today's video, we are going to print a card wallet organizer.
Amazing!
Diba? Card wallet organizer, guys. So, naisip ko ito kasi it will be useful, especially ako. Ay marami kong cards na ginagamit and usually, madalas ko siyang naiiwanan kung saan-saan yung card ko, sa kabilang bag, especially pag nagpapalit ako ng bags. So, nangyayari is naiiwan ko yung some cards there at marami akong masyadong matataba yung wallet na ginagamit ko to hold my cards. So here, I decided to design a minimalist wallet card using our Bambu Lab Studio. And here, nakapag-create ako ng isang card wallet organizer. So ang kagandahan dito, guys, for this card organizer, it will organize our cards, easily. So it can hold up to 5 cards actually using this card wallet. And number 2, it is having a compact design. So very light lang siya and very minimalist lang. It can fit to small bags, small pockets. So here guys, I'm gonna show you how did I print it using the Bambu Lab Studio and of course our 3D machine, the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. So papakita ko sa inyo yung mga specs na ginamit ko in printing this card wallet. So ito yung ating preview. Yan, so makikita nyo, this is exactly how it is. So yan yung pinaka-object niya. Yan, so we choose the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon 0.4 nozzle, nozzle. So since yan yung printer natin, and for the plate itself, it's a cool plate. So yung gamit nga pala nating materials for this 3D printer is generic PLA, wherein high quality presets ang ating kinuha kasi we would like to achieve the good quality finish nung pinaka 3D print natin. Kasi siyempre gagamitin natin siya sa card wallet, so mas maganda kapag mas maganda yung kanyang quality. Okay? So automatically kapag kinlik natin tong 0.08 mm high quality, automatically, if you feel niya na automatically yung strength, speed, and support. So, wala na akong binabago dyan. It's just that I need only to check and enable the support para doon sa mga overhangs natin. Kasi as I observe in this 3D print object na to, meron siyang overhang. Yan. So, para makita nyo, yan yung overhang niya. Yan. Kasi kapag nakita nyo dito sa side view niya, para siyang, hindi siya straight. So, meron siya nakausli. So, kapag may mga nakausling ganyan sa mga 3D prints, usually, kailangan ng support niyan para ma-achieve natin yan. Otherwise, magi-spaghetti na siya from this part. Yan. Zoom natin. Yan. So, from this part, kapag hindi natin siya nilagyan ng support dito sa ilalim, magi-spaghetti na siya the moment na dumaan dyan yung ating nozzle. So here, I just click and enable support. So dito lang tayo sa normal. Okay, in default style. And for the others, so since I decided to print this object in white PLA only, so hindi na natin kailangan ng prime tower. Okay? So usually yung prime tower, ginagamit lang natin siya sa multiple colors na 3D objects or 3D prints. Yon. So ngayon, I think everything is ready. So all we need to do is to slice the object. Yan, as you can see. Yan. So printing time niya or the filaments I'm gonna consume is 13.75 meters. Yung haba nung PLA na gagamitin niya to print this object. And it is having a weight of 41.66 grams. So for the preparing time naman, we have 7 minutes and 56 seconds to prepare this. And for the model printing time, so tatagal siya ng 4 hours and 46 minutes. So tara, samahan nyo ako guys, ipiprint na natin siya and let's see kung ano yung kalalabasan. So here we have it, folks. So we've successfully printed the card wallet organizer and it turned out absolutely flawless. Yan. So kung makikita natin yung quality ng print is napakaganda niya actually. So, para siyang nilabas sa factory. So now, let's put some cards and see how it holds up. Okay. So, meron ako mga cards dito. So, this is a bank card. Ayan, subukan natin ipasok. 1. Ang ganda ng tunog, 2. 3. So actually, this 3D printed card wallet organizer can hold up to 5 cards. Okay? And there you have it. Oh, it's amazing. Ganda niya, guys. Oh. It's working. I'm gonna show you. So I guess, and there you have it. It's it working like a charm, and the finish is a top notch. Actually, it's perfect for small bags when it comes to the design. It's very compact and lightweight design, making it hassle-free to carry in your bags and in your pocket as well. So overall, I would give this 3D print a solid 10 out of 10, okay, for the print quality, and it's a winner in my book. So, napakaganda niya, guys. So, for me, wala na akong aanuin dito. So, I can produce this, and give it to my friends. And syempre, sa mga subscriber natin sa 3J 3D Prints, I can give you this, 3D card wallet organizer. So, again, guys, thank you for tuning in for today's video. If there's anything you would like me to create or print for you guys, just drop your requests in the comment section below. And I'll do my best to bring them to life, guys. Plus, I'll even ship it to you for free of charge. So, syempre, sa mga subscribers natin dyan, just comment down below kung ano yung request nyo at sisikapin kong gawin yan para sa inyo. At bonus yan, ipapadala ko sa inyo, wala, libre. Okay, para sa inyo, guys. So guys, here we are, guys. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, 3J 3D Prints, for more awesome 3D printing content. So hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update, guys. Until the next time, guys, take care. See you on the next video. Bye!